continued learning. Why should your learning end just because the course has been completed? It shouldn't, and we thought so too. As part of the new Systemax training experience, we decided to put the training in your pocket so you can take it with you wherever you are. From April 16th, the new Infrastructure Academy app will be available for iOS and Android. The new app allows you to access a large knowledge base of demonstration videos, interactive product demonstrations, instructional documents, and other information. All this material is available on your phone or tablet wherever you are, and can even be saved to your device so it can be accessed even when offline. The app also brings a change in how we provide badges and certificates for certain certifications. You probably always have your phone with you wherever you go, so we have decided to put your badges and certifications on that same device. As of April 16th, we will no longer be producing and sending physical badges or certificates, but the badges will be available in the Infrastructure Academy app and certificates available for download from the student training area. Other great features include connect with others, connect with colleagues, industry experts, and fellow students by using our discussion board, which allows you to keep up to date with CommScope product news directly to your device. Updates and notifications. Receive updates about your training, such as when a certificate is due for renewal, and industry-related news direct to your device with instant notifications. Choice of languages. The Academy has a global audience, so we have designed the app for that diverse community. All content within the app is available in 16 of our most used languages. The app comes with some great features from day one, but we are already looking ahead at other features and tools that we can add to the app in the future, and we'll communicate more as work progresses. The app will be available from the Apple App Store and Google Play.